Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Neff from NASDAQ Bets, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today we're checking out Popular Mechanics, October 1975. And we got a little bit of a retro futuristic cover here. A railroad shape up to give you a faster, smoother ride. A low rider, I suppose. Okay, but geez, it looks like there's a lot of seatage in there. Oh man, we had 20 people across almost there, eh? Nice. I've been doing so many 80s popular mechanics that it, it's different. It's different. Never seen a generator like that before. I like it. The secret of teaching yourself music. That's right, we'll teach you how to do Wonderwall. If he doesn't make it by 35, chances are he never will. That must have been one that, Salem, that must have ended just before the 80s. Why is he so wet? Why is he in long... What's going on here? The insurance store. Okay. White label. I guess they made it their name being known all over the place. And just buying whatever. I can't believe that I managed to get so old before I figured out what these Heath kits were. I don't know anyone who's ever assembled any of these, and I've never heard anything about them before. But I find myself more and more intrigued with them. Basically, you put these things together yourself. All right, we have all of the things we're supposed to have. Maybe now we can be happy. Check it out, there it is, the train. Holy that's a lowrider, isn't it? Nice. Well, if you look at it this way, it kind of looks like those Japanese bullet trains, right? Man, those things go fast. I am not the type of person that wants to be away from home long enough to find that out, though. I got kids. Looking for treasures and possible riches. Look, Terrence, treasure. Yes. Very nice. You can see over here, since it's still the 70s, we don't have the hypersexualization going yet. She's supposed to be wide-eyed with a big smile, and she's supposed to be filling out everything perfectly. And I think we can all admit in the 70s, she's pretty... That's a... Yeah. This old freaking camera equipment was so bloody difficult to set up. I am so happy that I don't have to. I'm pretty sure that exceeds the bend radius of that kind of hardware. So there was a time when this would have been intriguing, but these days this is almost downright creepy. Oh no, it is not that easy to set up. It is never easy to set one of these things up. Legit, some of the Black Velvet advertisements are just top shelf. Now, this one's pretty good, but she's pretty well made up. I came across one the other day that just struck me as an angel in a centerfold, basically, and took me to, basically, to a moment. You get moments in pictures that are just freaking vivid, and they're lovely, they're wonderful, and even if you had the full experience with the woman, it's almost as if you still couldn't get the magic that was just in that single picture. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. Neff from Nev's Tack Bits. Popular Mechanics, 1975. Have a good one, folks.